Guys, we are back. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. As always, it is so great to see you. And here we are, guys, episode 80 of Photography Talk. And we have some very interesting news or some stuff to discuss here today. Nikon has a new retro-looking APS-C camera on the horizon, and the price, it might surprise you. Also this week, we got confirmation that Sony's new AirPeak S1 drone is ready for flight. Now we're going to talk about a new technology that could mean the end of lenses as we know them. All of that is coming right up after we take a moment to give props to our favorite like button. Now the like button has been a great friend to me for over the years, and I just want to give him a quick shout out. Now he does work hard and he does his job very well. And folks tell me that when you click on him, he changes color to a beautiful, soothing shade of blue. Just give him a click and you'll see for yourself. All right, you're not buying my corny jokes? Well, by hitting the like button, it is going to help this channel with the YouTube algorithm. So you're helping out the channel. So my friend, I appreciate it. Now, let's get on to this week's news. Now, if you've been watching this channel for a decent amount of time, you already know that I was a Nikon shooter for a very long time, and though I've moved over to Canon, I still have a soft spot for Nikon, and I'm always excited to see new cameras that they are developing. So their latest camera, the ZFC, will be an APS-C Z-mount mirrorless camera that looks like Nikon film cameras from back in the day. Now, rumors also indicate that the camera will have a similar specs as the Z50, so we can count on somewhere around a 21 megapixel sensor. Now, leaked mock-ups of the ZFC show a thin body, no grip, articulating screen, and mechanic dials on the top as well. This thing really looks cool. Now, supposedly the camera will be available in silver, black, and brown. Now, here's the cool part. The price isn't bad either. It's thought to be around $999, and that includes a kit lens. Now, it's also expected that Nikon will officially announce the ZFC by the end of this month, so definitely stay tuned for more details. Leave a comment below as well. What do you think of this camera? Is this something that you would be interested in getting yourself? Now, researchers in Canada have been working on a new lens design that could make camera lenses much smaller than they are right now. Essentially, their design relies on the use of meta lenses with a space plate, which would all but eliminate the size of today's lenses. Now, a meta lens requires nanotechnology to reduce the size of the optics by a very large margin. Now, when combined with a space plate, which of course reduces the amount of space required between the individual optics, friend, you get a lens that is far smaller than what we're used to. In fact, researchers agree that if this works, it could mean the future lenses are going to be flush on the front of the camera. Now, meta lenses are really, when you think about what could help smartphone makers eliminate that, that little bump on the front of the camera, which would be awesome. But if meta lenses and space plates can eliminate the need for big bulky lenses on mirrorless cameras, hey, this is getting pretty interesting. Now, of course, time will tell if this actually works, but I have to admit, I'm pretty intrigued with the notion of being able to do this, although it would be kind of weird going out with no lens. It's going to feel like a point-and-shoot camera, but still, that's going to shave off quite a bit of weight in the old camera bag, especially if this sort of technology can do with what we have. It could be a true replacement for the glass that we have right now. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Now, if you've been patiently waiting for Sony's AirPeak S1 to arrive, friend, you don't have to wait any longer. Now, the professional level drone offers loads of features, including obstacle detection, heavy lift capabilities, and a top speed of, get this, 56 miles per hour. It can also resist wind up to 44.7 miles per hour and has a maximum pitch of 55 degrees. Now, as a result of this, this drone has a very killer maneuverability. Now, in terms of, let's clarify, heavy lifting, it can carry up to 5 pounds of photography gear, so you can't exactly use it as your personal helicopter, but it's going to carry a grip of gear. Now, the obstacle detection system will be robust as well, with a sensor on the front. It's going to have it on the back, on the top, on the bottom, and of course both sides. It's also going to feature what is being called a vision sensing processor. Now, this is going to aid in obstacle avoidance. Now, what's unique about the system is that it processes data from the onboard camera and is used along with a special algorithm to quickly and accurately estimate the aircraft's position and orientation. And this is all done in real time. What the system will do is also allow the pilots to fly the drone in areas which GPS cannot be relied on for positioning, like for example underneath bridges or indoors. Now, with a price tag of $9,000, this drone really should be able to do a lot. Now, that's a ton of money, but Sony is appeared to really be stepping up to the plate to show us why this drone is worth the price. Again, I want to hear your comments on this. Is this a drone that you're going to be running out and dropping $9 grand on? Let me know in the comments below. And now let's get to the details of our current giveaway. We have 3 great prizes, starting off with a Holdfast Gear Remographer, a luxurious camera bag, a Pilot Fly Atom Cube RX1 Lite, and of course, the $100 Adorama gift card. As always, entering the giveaway is really simple. Step 1. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Step 2, leave a comment below. In fact, the more of our videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the more chances that you have to win. So get watching some of our videos and leave some comments. Step 3, register on PhotographyTalk and introduce yourself in the forum. Now, if you registered on the site and introduced yourself during one of the last giveaways, friend, you're still eligible to win. But as I keep saying, swing on by, say hello. We would love to see it. And friend, that is it. For complete details on the giveaway, including how to register on PhotographyTalk and how to say hello in the forum, check out the description below. Good luck. Well, there you go, guys. PhotographyTalk episode 80 is in the bag. As always, I love getting in front of you guys and sharing these little bite-sized little news nuggets for the week. And so it's that time of the video where, hey, I'm gonna ask you to do all that YouTube stuff. That is so appreciated. It really does help this channel. So if you are mildly entertained with this video, if I helped you out in any way, do me a favor, hit that like button down below. If you're currently not subscribed to the channel, would love to have you on part of our family. So do that. And while you're at it, kick that bell so therefore you're notified each time that we come out with a new video. Friend, I'm going to be jumping out of my office here. You get out there, stay healthy, and create your best shot.